All right, so I was wrong, and just in case you're gonna try what I almost tried, if you have a problem getting out some of the screws, just be patient and keep trying. Maybe go to another one and then go back to that one, because some of them gave me some problem. Seems like they got internally tangled with the damping material that is inside. But then I tried again, and they came out. I was gonna attempt to install these without removing some of the screws, but the thing is that having this little piece down here in all of them is meant to go right where the screw goes, and then the screw will go on top. So it won't really fit really good, and it will probably create a very annoying vibration if you leave one or more just sitting on top of the screw that you were not able to remove. So at the end, I just gave it some time. Maybe I think just let it rest for a little bit, and then came back. I screwed it back on and then out again, and it worked. So let's see how I place this on top. Okay, you just make sure that you're putting all of them in the right place and start putting the screws back. I would say the first half inch, or probably the first inch, it should go in without having to turn it around. It will just go inside. You just need to find the right spot. Just a little wiggle, and it should go in. All right. Okay, so let me keep tightening this one up. Okay, that one's complete. Make sure to tighten all of them all the way without over tightening. You don't want to break anything or damage the screws, but make sure to go all the way down. You don't need a torque wrench for these. You just need to get them to sit snugly. right, let me turn this so you can see it more clearly. There you go. Here's our subwoofer with the protecting grille installed.